Make a photo album. Photo albums offer the opportunity for organizing your memories and creating gifts for friends and family. Make a statement with your photo collections by creating a low-cost personalized album collection. Don't hide your photos in boring binders or dull packing boxes. Display them in an album that's as fun as the photos inside. Materials: 3-ring binder fabric. Size needs to be the binder plus 2 on each side. Poster board ribbon, glitter, or paints for decoration. Photos: colored paper, acid-free photo pages, old magazines. Spray glue tools: scissors, hot glue gun. Select the fabric and decorative items. Create a theme for the album by using school colors for a high school memory book, or white satin, pearls and glitter for a wedding album. Cut the fabric to fit the binder. Lay the binder flat on the fabric and use scissors to cut with 1-2 excess on each side. Wrap the fabric around a binder. Use spray glue to secure the fabric to the exterior of the binder and smooth the fabric as you work so that the fabric stays tight with no gaps or sags. Be sure to glue the back side with the binder closed so that the fabric is not too tight. Glue the fabric flap. After gluing the exterior of the binder, fold the excess fabric to the inside and use the hot glue gun to secure the flaps to the inside of the binder. Fit poster board to inside cover. Cut the poster board to size 1/2 smaller on each side than the cover to hide the excess fabric. Using the hot glue gun, use a thin layer of glue to secure the poster board to the cover and fabric flaps. Let the glue dry. Decorate the exterior of the album. Use ribbons, glitter, fabric paint or decorative sequins to personalize the exterior. Draw or lay out the design on a sheet of paper before attaching it to the album cover fabric to avoid changing your mind or damaging the fabric by removing pieces. Try to stay simple and avoid clutter on the cover. Organize photos. Gather the photos for the album and organize for several pages. Decorate pages. Using photos, colored paper, glitter, images, and letters from old magazines, decorate the photo pages. Lay out the pages until satisfied with the look. Then glue the decorations to the acid-free photo album pages. Let the individual pages dry fully before putting them in the album. Sign the album. If giving the album as a gift, sign, or include a personalized message on the rear cover. With these simple steps, create a great personalized gift for your friends or family. Design your own albums to organize your college photos, family trips, and travel scrapbooks.